my channel. How are you guys doing today? Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you guys doing today? Okay, so I know I'm looking a mess. Yes, I am looking a mess. So I have done the I'm not even meant to say welcome back to my channel. Actually, I'm not meant to say it because I have already started this video. It's a continuation of the wig for MegaLook. So I've done the wig, so let me show you guys the wig right now, and I'm gonna be wearing it, installing it, and showing you guys how I wear my wigs. So this is how it looks like. It's just on my mannequin head. I finished up with it. I put an elastic band. I love to put elastic bands on my wigs because like it makes it stay on your head more. I put an elastic band on where the 4x4 closure is gonna be, instead of me using got2b glue. This is a much more better alternative because it will literally stay flat. The closure will literally melt on your scalp. But I'm gonna show you how I actually do this, and we'll be styling the hair so you can see. So let's do this. As I'm going in with this dome cap, like I buy a lot. I have black and I have brown, and it's really good to buy this for your head, for like if you wear wigs a lot and you wear wigs that have closure or like frontals. Even when you do frontals, this is what you're meant to use. So I use this a lot. So I'm gonna be taking out of the pack, I'm gonna be putting it on my head. My hair looks so awful, I know, right? No need for it to tell me. So you're gonna wear it like this, and make sure like it stays flat on your head. I don't know if I'm wearing it well. It just stays flat on your head. Some people, they put foundation on theirs, but I'm not putting foundation on my own. Rather, I'm gonna be putting foundation on the closure itself. And this is the elastic band I spoke about. Always put an elastic band on your wigs. Serious, it makes it more convenient and more better. It's like you customizing your wig for yourself. So I was running out of black elastic, then I had white, so I just decided to use white at the end where I know people won't really see it. So anyways, let's get into this. I'm going to be using foundation on the mesh of my frontal. I decided to use the foundation. I just used using a little bit, and I'm using my color, like the color of my skin, and I'm just going to be rubbing it around, especially at the centers. You know, they're like 4 patterns, so I'm just trying to rub to get that color. You can go overboard if you want, just rubbing it around the frontal side too. I think I need to put more foundation to rub on it. In my foundation, so I'm going to be putting on my wig to see how it looks on my head. So how you're going to wear this is you're going to start by putting it like this.
So guys, I'm carefully installing my wig with my elastic band to the back. I'm carefully strapping my hair in, making sure that the 4x4 closure is in alliance with the dome cap that I'm wearing. My mesh dome cap was showing, so I had to like adjust it so like it falls in place with the 4x4 closure. I love using elastic bands on my wigs because it's a form of you like customizing your wig to to be your perfect head size, and it's better off than using got2b glue because got2b glue can take off your edges. So yeah.
So the hair is halfway fixed, just for me to cut the frontal. So I'm going to go cut the frontal. I'm going to cut it off camera because I need to actually get this. So I'm gonna cut it off camera and I'll come back and show you guys how I did it. I said before, I went off camera to go, cut the lace, and I cut the lace of the hair to suit my hairline. So to suit my hairline and how I want it to be like. So I'm going to be straightening and blow drying my hair next. Like, actually look at her. I love MegaLook. Their hairs, like, honestly, their hairs are amazing. Like, I'm just feeling myself. I always feel myself. I don't know why. But anyways, please don't mind me. Let me always be blow drying our hair. So guys, like, honestly, I don't even need to go to a salon. I am the salon. I have my 2 flat irons and I have my 2 blow dryers. I don't know which one I want to use. I think I'll use the bigger one because for the hair to go down a little bit, and I'll use one of the flat iron. I'll use one of them. Anyways, let's do this. Drying my hair. I'm going to be blow drying hair. I'm actually meant to gel the hair. I'll go get my gel later. My hair keeps going into my earrings. But anyways, let's do this. You just know. Anyways, try my best to blow dry it as much as I can. And I don't really have a mirror in front of me, so I can't really see what I'm doing, so I'm just winging it. So I'm just gonna brush it to start flat ironing the hair. Stressful, yeah? Brushing down. So anyways, to do the flat ironing, I have to actually wait for the flat iron to get up, so the sooner I plug it in, the better. In my flat iron, as you can see, the red light. Okay, it's hot. I want to use this here for where the closure is, but the problem is that there is no mirror for me, so I just have to do this using my instincts. I want the hair to stay flat, so I'm just gonna try my best as I can to actually do this, just like for the front. I'm winging it, guys. I can't see what I'm doing. I'm just trying my best, trying to bring it down like the hair a little bit. I can actually, just make the hair straighter enough. To do your hair. So anyways, I want to go get my gel and my brush so I can like lay my edges, so it looks more natural, I guess. So I went to get my brush, but I couldn't find it. There's a tiny brush I normally use to do my edges, but I couldn't find it, so I don't know if we should just leave it because I could only find this. So I don't know, maybe we'll just leave gelling the edges and then we'll do the different styles for the hair. How to style a 4x4 closure. We'll be doing that. Get ready. So guys, this is another way you can actually wear the hair. I put clips and then I put some pins there. So this is another way you can rock this hair. another way you can rock this hair and look fabulous. That's how you can do. You can just cover up the closure line and just pin it the way you want it to be. You can pack it up anyone you want, anyone you want at all. So for me, I actually like the other two I did, but then I like it straight. I'm going to wear my hair straight, so I'll be right back with that. As I said, I like the hair straight. I love it straight. I prefer it straight. MegaLook, their hairs are quality hairs and hairs that you can keep. They can last forever, so I recommend you should go shop for hairs. They have different colors, and I actually love this. And this is not going to be the last. This is gonna be, you know, one of them. I'm planning on getting more hairs because I'm a big fan of hairs. I love hairs a lot. So anyways, guys, I just can't stop brushing this hair. So anyways, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to share, subscribe, and follow. You can also follow me on Instagram. I'm on Instagram bitches. So yeah, thank you for watching. Go get yourself this hair. Go and get yourself the hair. The next hair I would like to get is a 360 frontal so I can be packing it. But you see.